Okay, this problem is one of the most important in the homework. Here's where we use momentum in two different directions simultaneously. In my question it says two cars collide. Car A has some mass and is traveling from west to east. So here's a diagram of the intersection. Here's car A. It has mass A. It has a velocity from west to east. So here's the velocity of car A. And car B has a different velocity and a different mass. Its velocity is going straight south, from north to south. They collide here. Boom. So this is carrying momentum horizontally. This one's carrying momentum vertically. They're going to combine. And conservation of momentum says that momentum doesn't change. So whatever horizontal momentum was carried will be carried through the collision. Whatever vertical momentum was carried before the collision will be carried after the collision. The two cars become enmeshed and move as one afterwards. The enmeshed cars move together, so enmeshed means they stick, so this is going to be an inelastic collision. They stick together and they move at an angle south of east. So I was given a large angle east, south of east. That would be this angle here, theta. Now the important, the critical part to remember is that whatever momentum horizontally there was before, there will be after. So this momentum here, so that's a velocity vector, this is a velocity vector. So if, again, momentum vectors will be exactly the same as velocity vectors, except it's going to be, let's remember, momentum. Momentum is mass times velocity. So a momentum vector is the same thing as a velocity vector, except multiplied by how heavy the object is. So here we have momentum of A before. Now that momentum is the only momentum in the horizontal direction. That's going to be conserved. There's going to be that same momentum A, and this is carrying a momentum. This is momentum B. That's going to be mass times velocity downwards, and that's going to be preserved downwards. Now I don't know yeah, actually you can calculate what these, there's momentum B. That's going to be preserved, and they're going to combine together. They're going to combine together into a vector that moves both from west to east and north to south simultaneously. So they're going to add up. So I could have placed PA down here and then put PB there instead of there. But the point... Oh, telephone, one moment. Hello? Hi, Mama. I'm well. Yeah? It does sometimes.